What's up, YouTube? Shopping online the other day, I bought a pair of these Kyrie 5s. It says Kyrie 5 TB. I'm not sure what the TB stands for. If you haven't seen a Kyrie 5 box before, here it is. It's got a pretty cool top right here. Huge Illuminati vibes going on. Let's check out what's inside. Open the box. We see an awesome colorway of the Kyrie 5 right here. If you like it, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to check them out and buy them. It'll really help out the channel. This is a great colorway. Let's check it out on foot. Here they are on foot. As you can see, this is a pretty fire colorway. I'm not sure why it's not more popular. They look especially good with just like streetwear clothing. Like denim like this. This is Scotch and Soda denim. If you like denim like this, that stacks really well with sneakers. Check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description. I think this is a great pair of basketball shoes, and you can definitely get a great deal on them on StockX, so definitely check out the links. Let me know what you think of the colorway. Let me know what you think of Kyrie 5s in general. I happen to like these a lot. I got a great deal on them, in fact. The one thing I'm confused about is why this black and white colorway is not as popular. It's a great plain colorway and it'll look great on the basketball court. Hopefully we'll be playing basketball sometime soon. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.